to start, go to YouTube.
Lucidchart makes intelligent diagramming easy and helps your best ideas become real.
Start, go to YouTube. Beside your name, you will have a thing called Your Channel. And there you can see your videos. And here, there's a button called Create up the top. You can press Upload Videos. Select your file. So first you have to have the file on your computer. You can select whatever video you want. So I can put that in Downloads, Video, Open, pick a video. Okay, so when you upload your video, you're gonna just need to give it a title. You tell your viewers what it's about. Put in the code of that you're told to put in, whatever assignment 1. And let's go with next. Put myself over there. Next. You can say yes or no, it's not made for kids. Tell us whether your video is made for kids or not. Age restriction, you can pick yes, it's made for kids. If it's suitable. Next. Add an end screen. Next. Check if your video contains any copyright content. Just wait for that. Make yourself a cup of tea. No issues found, so let's go next. Pick it as unlisted. Save. That's it. So then just email it to yourself. I'd like to copy the link actually, and then use the copied link and put it into your PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint, make sure you're using a new version of PowerPoint because it doesn't work in the old versions. And here, just go to Insert, Video, Online Videos. There you go. That's it. Insert. And then you just drag out the corners. And Bob's your uncle.